Our AUK Precision Clamping Squares could either be used for setting up your saw for square, checking out. We've got dimensions on here again if you were trying to set up a router cutter to a height. But the main purpose, the way we use them most of the time, is to assist us with our assembly. You could use the Precision Clamping Squares either with one of our Jorgensen quick grip clamps, or ideally made for the job is our AUK fence clamps. These can go in the pre-drilled holes to give you pressure exactly where you need it. Check out our Precision Clamping Squares at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Also, look at us on our social media channels.